Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how to turn in your assignment. So you're going to be able to see very quickly, we're going to log in as Josie. You're going to be able to go into Google Classroom. You'll be able to go to First Grade Computers and you're going to see this new assignment. It says posted a new assignment. Okay, so whenever you click on it, you're going to see it right here, and it says, once you're finished with your Google Docs project, please watch the video on how to turn it into me. That's what you're watching right now. So whenever you're done, you're going to go over here where it says add or create. Do you see that button? Go ahead and click it. And whenever you do, you're going to see one that says Google Drive. Okay, it's the one with a little triangle. Go ahead and click it. Then this is going to pop up and it's going to show all of the stuff that you've been doing lately in Google Drive. So you're going to see Miss Todd, if you're in that class, you might see some other things, but what you're going to see is your document that we've been working on with your name and your face, where we took a picture, and then it should have some new stuff, but at the time of this video, I haven't taught it to Josie yet. So you'll click on it. Do you see where it makes it blue around it? Yeah, and then down here it says Insert. So go ahead and do that now. You're going to click it, and then it's going to look like it's thinking really hard up here in the corner. Okay, so over there you can see it's really small, but you can see that it's the right one. If you made a mistake and it's not the right one, all you have to do is click the X and then click Add again. But if it is the right one, all you have to do is go right here where it says Turn In. So you click it, and it will say Turn in your work. One attachment, that's the thing that we worked on, the document. Submitted below, and then all you have to do is click Turn It In. And then I'll be able to see it from here, even though I'm not able to see it with you right there. Okay, now if you decided that you made a mistake and it wasn't time yet, go ahead and click Unsubmit right here, Unsubmit, and then you can work on it again or make sure that it's the right video. If you don't want it, just click the X, and then you can add the correct video again. So once you're done with that, I'll be able to see your Google Docs. Good job. Thanks. Good luck. Bye.